Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily change your crosshair in Fortnite. To begin, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, locate and select the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Once inside the settings, you'll want to click on the Game tab. This section contains various gameplay-related adjustments, including those for your in-game reticle. It's a straightforward process to get started on personalizing your aiming experience. Within the Game tab, scroll down until you find the reticle or crosshair section. Here, you'll see options to enable or disable your crosshair entirely, which is useful for certain playstyles. More importantly, you can choose from several distinct crosshair styles. Experiment with these presets to find one that visually appeals to you and enhances your aiming precision. Each style offers a unique look, from simple dots to more complex designs, giving you a good starting point for customization. For even greater personalization, delve into the advanced adjustments. You can precisely modify your crosshair color using an RGB slider, allowing for millions of color combinations. Adjust the crosshair's thickness, typically from 1 to 10 pixels, and its opacity, ranging from 0 to 100%, to ensure optimal visibility. Furthermore, you can fine-tune the crosshair's spread and add an outline, making it stand out against various backgrounds. These detailed controls empower you to create a truly unique aiming reticle. Once you've made your desired changes, remember to apply them by confirming your settings, usually with a button labeled Apply or Save. It's highly recommended to test your new crosshair in a practice match or creative mode to see how it performs in actual gameplay. If it doesn't feel quite right, simply revisit the settings to fine-tune your preferences. Don't hesitate to make iterative adjustments until you achieve the perfect crosshair for your playstyle and visual comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.